Hello, my name is Jacob Baldwin with United Grinding North America, and today we're going to talk about cutting tools. Specifically, we're going to talk about this PCD tipped drill. This is a drill with a PCD segment at the end of the tool. PCD stands for polycrystalline diamond and is considered a super hard material, which allows for longer tool life and higher quality finishes. These PCD tipped drills are typically used in industries where high precision, durability, and performance are expected, despite working with difficult to machine materials, such as composite materials, ceramics, aluminum, and titanium. Common applications include drilling holes in titanium and composites used in medical implants, machining drill bit components in oil and gas tooling, drilling holes in airplane fuselages, and various work in the automotive engine and transmission applications where high surface finishes are required. PCD tools allow for a longer tool life, although it does make for a more complex production process, one where Walter's Diamond Series machines excel using our grinding and eroding capabilities in a single machine. Features of our Walter grinders that tool makers enjoy include the unmatched programming ability in Tool Studio for grinding carbide and eroding PCD in the same machine and a single clamping. With our automation options, you have the capability to visually detect the PCD segment for grinding and eroding using a camera during the loading process. And finally, thanks to Fine Pulse technology, you can achieve reflective finishes on our rotary erosion Diamond Series machines. Walter tool making and measuring machines excel at manufacturing some of the most complex cutting tools in the world, and we've got engineering resources that can help you optimize your existing or create a new grinding process. So if you've got a tool grinding project you need some help on, give us a call.